Hey there, I'm going to do a quick tutorial today for you on the Simoniz 2900 PSI gas pressure washer. This is a pretty awesome gift I received this year as an anniversary gift, and I got to tell you, it's the ultimate man tool. This is geared at a heavy duty stage. They come in different stages, as you I'm sure well aware. A couple things I'm quickly going to point out before I give you a demonstration just how powerful this thing is. These are the different nozzles that set up. They start at 0, they go to 15, 25, 40, and this here attachment right here is for when you apply the soap and degreaser solution that you would use to clean a deck, siding, cars, whatever. Couple things to note: it is very, very important that you make sure that you have the appropriate amount of oil in this machine. One of the great safety features about the Simoniz 2900 is that if there's not enough oil in it, it will not operate. So that kind of protects you, but it's also on you as well. A couple of features down here. This is your choke for open and close. Here's your gas. Make sure you shut it off when you're done. I'm going to open it up because I'm about to show you guys what this thing can do, and I believe my choke, I may or may not need it. The switch down here, this is your on and off. You can see that pretty well. Here's where you check your oil. I have checked the oil before I've started this. This is where your main hose line comes in. There's no water on right now, but I'm about to turn it on. Okay, I've gone around and I've turned on my water. What you want to do is you want to purge the line, just to make sure there's no air in it, and to make sure the water's coming through. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Settle for a while. I've now put on my nozzle that I'm going to use to power wash. If you have a close look, you can see how much power this baby has. Okay, so that's just the first step, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration without any soap, without anything. This is pressure treated deck that's been here for at least 17 years. It was treated a couple of years ago with this dinky little washer that really didn't do anything. I'm going to give you a demonstration on this rail, just the power of this machine and exactly what it can do with no soap, without anything on it. basically, as you can see, this thing really does a great job. I don't know if you can get a close-up over here. This is a lot of residue from, not only from the gardens here in the backyard, but from these black walnut trees. They really do havoc on a deck, but they will stain like you wouldn't believe. Just to give you an idea, just before I started shooting this tutorial, this was the side that I did just before supper. I wanted it to dry so you could see. And if you look down the stairs, this perfect straight line down here, this is what's not been cleaned, that's what's been cleaned. So without any dispute, this is a great machine. I thank my wife enormously for the great gift, but this is an awesome, powerful machine and I love it. So you know, just be careful with the nozzles. I'm going to give you a little tutorial this week too on how to get rid of a hornet's nest with this puppy, because it's up high and I think it'll do the job real well. So hope you got something out of this. Keep in mind, again, this is it's not a toy. I kind of like to think it is, but I love this thing and I'm going to use it for many things, I should say. So, and also, you know, in the fall when you're getting ready to put it away, there's a winterizing like fogger can that you can buy to do it, which is pretty simple. There's a lot of great tutorials online to do that as well. So I hope this you got something out of this and I enjoyed doing it. Take care.